happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Today we are looking at the new MC99 Pro, but just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of these social medias, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. So we're going to take a look at this new MC99 Pro together, as this one is sealed. So don't you love a sealed product? I do like the packaging. You've got a few pictures of different smartwatches on the front, MC99 Pro text on the side. This is the black color, comes in 4 to 5 different colors with different watch bands depending on your liking. Nothing else around the box. Take a look at the back. We have some text which actually states includes smartwatch, band charging cable and user manual. Not all capabilities are available in all areas. Smartwatch is not a medical device. Battery life, charge cycles and display life vary by use and settings. Smartwatch may need to be serviced or replaced by authorized service providers. But right, so basically they've just copy and pasted this but put it in a corner. Got a few trademarks and made in China, as is everything else. You know how we do. Let's sort it out on Allsortzz. This may be a first MC99, no idea. But if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button. Anyways, we have opened this up. Let's see what we get inside the box. So straight away, we are greeted with the watch band and the watch. But just before we take a look at both, we'll take a look at the watch band right here. A really nice silicone black watch band. I always get black on black watches because they are my favorite. No idea why I always get black on black on these every other smartwatch, because I never actually use these. So there's the watch. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we have a 2-pin charger. Most of the fake smartwatches come with a magnetic 2-pin charger, which we have right here. So it's not a fully wireless pad charger. And here we have the manuals. Look how small the booklet is. And that is a product description, product overview, buttons and touch, connect the watch. That's the QR code to download the app, and the app you need to download is Wear Fit Pro app. I don't know if you read that properly. You can pause it. Watch operation, instructions and features. That's what it has. Does it tell you some information about this watch? It does tell you how to recharge it. Nope, and that is about it. Anyways, let's take a look at the watch. Here we have it. It actually says watch on the plastic if you didn't know what this is. So this is a Series 6 clone MC99 Pro. It's a 1.75 inch display, as you can tell right there. It has got a new chipset, which is the HS6621. So this is the first one I've actually seen in this smartwatch. It is a full HD display screen as well, and it's got a 200 mAh battery. So looking at the design, as you can see, got a crown, mic cutout and button placement, which it works. We'll check the screen out once it's actually switched on. You have 2 speaker grills at the back. It's like 1.5, as this first one or second one, whatever you want to call it, has just got a little cutout of the speaker. This one is actually full, so that works. You've got no button placements for the watch band. They just slide straight in and out. Here you have your 2-pin charger, and you have your sensors right here. So it's the latest design in sensors, but let's see if they actually work properly in this video. You've got text around the sensors as well, the same as the original. So let's take off the screen protector, and here we have it, a really nice alloy body MC99 Pro. So let's switch it on. Hopefully there's some battery in it. Straight away, you've got your tone there. You're greeted with the language settings. So as this is not been put on before, you got to choose your language. Let's see what else languages we can choose from. Does the crown work? Yes, it does. Look at how many languages you can actually choose from. That is definitely a good feature. So here we have it. First of all, the watch face we've got is frozen. So as we're on the watch faces, let's hold it down and see if the watch faces actually change. They're not changing when you hold it down. So let's try and change it with the crown. So yeah, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5 watch faces. maybe you can download more, put custom watch faces on when we connect it to the app. We'll try that out later in the video. So we'll leave it on this one, as this one looks pretty much better than the rest. So swiping it down, as you can see here, you've got a new layout when it comes to your shortcuts. Here you have your Bluetooth code on and off, and look at how quick it comes on and off. You get a little vibration as well. You've got your lock screens, long press the side button and it will unlock, as you can see right there. Wow, that's really good feature. You've got your do not disturb and your power shutdown button, which is good. You've got even the slide works. Look at that, look how good that is. So you've got your brightness, which you can toggle up and down. You've got your calendar right there and your settings. While we're in settings, let's take a look at settings. So you got your dimming, you can put your brightness down, screen off time, we'll change that to 15 seconds. Raise your wrist to bright, that means raise your wrist, you know what that means. Do not disturb mode, sound and vibration, language settings, connect mobile phone, so you can use the password when you lock your screen as well. About, reboot, restore, factory settings and shutdown. So let's go into about version 2.18. Watch 6 is the name, so it doesn't say MC99 Pro. So that is the settings. Let's go back. Pushing the crown in takes you back to home screen. So when we put it down, it actually shows you the percentage of the battery and also if it's connected to the phone at the top as well. So that actually vibrates when you press it on. So that is a really updated feature on this MC99 Pro. Swiping it to the left just changes your watch face. You've got no split screen. Swiping it up gives you your message notifications, but we'll check that out later in the video when we connect it to the phone. Swiping it to the left change your watch face again. So let's click the button in and it goes to your menu. Double clicking the button, the crown, sorry, and it will switch to the smart display. Look how accurate it is. There's no delay. Wow, this is really good. It's definitely a new chipset what I've used compared to previous. So do it again. You've got that one. So you've only got two menu options. You've got the smart style or the 9 app view. So let's see what apps we get. So sleep, you can choose between there. Sleep monitor, phone, of course you need to add it to your connect it to your phone. Blood pressure. So let's see what if we actually get a reading. As you can tell, you've got flashing Christmas lights at the back. You can tell with it flashing onto the desk right there. Will it give us a reading while it's off an object or while it's on an object? It took some time, but it is giving us a reading, not an accurate reading. As you can see, numbers are going up and down, and that is with it off an object. So as you can tell, it doesn't work 100%. I'm pretty sure the rest of them are the same. The weather app, well, that's outdoor. The weather, once you connect it to your phone, you can check that out. Outdoor sports, let's see what outdoor sports we have. And heart rate, same again. You're just going to get the same reading. It gives you the information, beats per minute up and down on there. The lights are going daft, as you can see, Christmas flashing lights, and it's just going to give you the same reading as it probably did on any other object or fresh air it does. So let's swipe down so you can breathe. You got the breathing option, indoor activities, you can choose between them. MET, that just gives you information on the record for the exercise all week. Data, how much calories you burnt and whatnot is all in here. That's all the data. Stopwatch, blood oxygen, which is going to be a fake reading. Music, you have to connect it to your phone to play and pause the music. Messages, same again. Blood, when that's your pressure. You can settings, it says set. Shake to take pictures. Calculator. Let's swipe down, and that is it. That is it for the menu. But overall, I have got to say I do like the chipset on this one because it's much faster. There's not a lot of lag into it. I like this new feature where you've got your shortcuts. The screen is really good as well. It is definitely a HD screen, but you still have got a bezel at the bottom. Now what we'll do is connect it to my phone and see what other features you can do on the app when it's connected to the smartwatch. So yeah, let's check it out. we've already got the app downloaded, as we have probably unboxed and reviewed numerous amount of smartwatches. So let's see if the Bluetooth is on. It's got a little vibration. Add device, make sure Bluetooth is on your smartphone, which is, let's press watch 6, as that's what it was showing in the about settings. Do not operate mobile phone or watches. Okay, let's pair. Allow notifications, yes. Successful pairing. Tip for wearing, I know that already. And there we have it, that is it. Let's go and see what else we can do when it comes to the app. So watch faces, let's go into more, and as you can tell, you've got all these watch faces. Some you can actually buy with money, and some are actually free. You can also customize and choose your own, as you can tell. Select keep current. We'll just put my old Honda Accord Type R, install. So as you can see, that is what is happening, and it's just about done. And there we have it, we've got my old Honda Accord Type R on the watch face. You can also position the style of the font and also the positioning of the text wherever you want across the screen by using these two right here. So that is a good feature. You can add more watch faces. Some of them you have to pay for, that which is a disappointment right there. So weather reports, weather reports, it should be reports. Notifications, you can toggle on and off which notifications you want, which is a good feature to have. Alarm, health reminder, taking pictures, find bracelet, confirm. It's just got a vibration but no tones, so a bit weird. Other settings, raise to wake, 12-hour clock, hourly point measurement, favorite contact, user guide, troubleshooting, firmware update. It's already updated. You've got the latest update, which is good. At least you can update your settings. And yeah, that is it. Let's check out the phone calls and text messages. But before I do that, as with all these fake smartwatches, make sure you go into your Bluetooth settings and connect it twice. As you can see, watch 6 is already connected. We connected that through the app. You should get another watch 6 on the Bluetooth device, as you've got to connect it twice when it comes to getting notifications from phone calls and everything. So don't know why this is actually taking its time. Let's put that back on, and as you can see here, watch 6 call. So yeah, make sure that Bluetooth is on, and you've always got to connect it twice when it comes to these clone smartwatches. The second one is for making phone calls and notifications. So as that is connected twice, let's make a little phone call to see what notification we get on the smartwatch. Allsortzz is ringing on the phone, but it actually shows you the number. You did get a vibration first, and then it came up as the number on the smartwatch, and you can actually slide to answer the call, which is good. So that's a new feature as well compared to the other ones. You just press the button. So as you can see there, that's the call feature. Let's go into messages and send a message and see what kind of notification we get. Allsortzz has sent a message. You've got a vibration on the watch. It says Allsortzz said subscribe to Allsortzz, and if you swipe up, you can see the message, but you can't reply to it. Same again with WhatsApp. You can actually see WhatsApp messages, Instagram, Facebook, whatever app you've actually got installed. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the MC99 Pro. A pretty good smartwatch. Not a lot of features, but it has got upgraded chipset with faster and smooth screen as well, and new shortcuts. This shortcut, which actually that's the best thing on this watch, this shortcut bit right here, which is really good. But overall, it's a decent watch. Shame about the health apps that don't work properly, but yeah, you know, in the future they might actually get that right. But yeah, pushing this button in is really hard. That just goes straight to your menu. I thought it usually takes it off. That does as well, and that does. So what we'll do now is switch it off, shut it down, and there we have it, MC99 Pro. I'll see you again for another video.